Hi everyone, for today's video I'm going to show you how to clean your screen filter. This is the screen filter for my above ground pool best way, and this is from the output of water because I'm getting some questions regarding how to clean it up because it doesn't move, right? But just want to let you know this is how I receive it. I think it's this one right here. See right here, there is like a screw right here, and that basically prevents you from moving it around because I'm not sure why they put that screw right there. So what I did for mine is I just removed that screw. So this is my other one. Just want to show you. And right here, I removed that screw that holds this thing in place. And actually, you don't need that screw because this is actually a thread. So you can open it and then put it back in. So if you have a lot of long hair that gets sucked in here and gets stuck inside and you want to clean it up, all you need to do is basically just remove the screw that they put in. I'm not sure why they put that in. So to remove this, you can either go underwater and look for that screw and unscrew it, or you can always loosen the grip from the outside and pull this thing out. Don't worry, the water is not going to splash out because the connection is rubber. So you have, when you pull it out, you can just take out the screw and then put it back in, okay? But just remove that screw, you don't have to put it back. And to clean it, you just unscrew it, take it out, clean the inside, pull all the hair, and you can just use this thread to put it back in. You don't have to put the small screw back. So I hope that helped you. Please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel, and thank you for watching.